simplify the following expression. So we've got minus 4L times 3M times 2N. So we've got multiplication here. So you've got minus 4L times 3M times 2N. Now it's good to sort of group together the numbers. We're going to put minus 4 times 3 times 2, and then we're going to put the letters times L times M times N. And then if we do minus 4 times 3, that's minus 12. Minus 12 times 2, that's minus 24. So grouping those together, and these we're just going to write as L, M, N. And the fact there's no multiplication sign there means that we are actually multiplying. In the second one, we've got PQ plus 3Q minus 5PQ minus 2Q. So what we're going to do is group together like terms. So we're going to put PQ and minus 5PQ because these two are like terms. And then we've got 3Q minus 2Q, which we're going to write together. So it's 3Q minus 2Q. Right, so we've got 1PQ minus 5PQ, so that will give me minus 4PQ. And then we've got 3 minus 3Q minus 2Q, which will just give me 1Q, but we don't bother to write in the 1, we just leave it as Q. Now you could leave the answer like that, or we could write it around this way, just swap the 2 over. So we get Q minus 4PQ as the final answer. So this has been a video to show you how to simplify by multiplication and by addition and subtraction. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.